Right now, there is a hiring problem in engineering, and a lot of you are already feeling it. I hear it all the time. You need skilled engineers, skilled technicians, and the local talent pool, it's just not keeping up. Roles stay open, projects slow down, costs go up. So the question is, what is the fastest way to solve your problem? For a lot of you, it's going to be the TN Visa program. Hi, I'm Sarah Wyngaard, a U.S. immigration attorney and founder of 3A Immigration Services. Now at 3A, we help U.S. companies recruit Mexican engineers and technicians, and we handle the entire visa process through our U.S. law firm. But here's what you need to know. Now the TN Visa, it's a work visa for professionals from Mexico and Canada. It's built for roles like engineers, technical specialists, and other high-skilled positions. And for employers, it solves three big problems. First up, no lottery. Now, unlike the H-1B visa, there's no waiting. There is no guessing if there's a visa available. If the candidate qualifies, you move forward. Second, it is fast. For Mexican engineers, the process can go through a U.S. consulate or by filing paperwork with USCIS, and sometimes paperwork can also be presented and approved right at the border as well. So from offer to start date, you're often looking at weeks, not months. Third, this is cost effective. Less complexity, lower costs, and scalable if you need to hire more than one person. But here's where companies get it wrong. They think it's simple, and it's just not. I mean, the job has to match a specific TN category, the degree has to align, and the application, especially if you're going through the consulate, it has to be done right. If it's not, you risk delays or even outright denials. And at the same time, most companies are overlooking this huge opportunity. There is an incredibly strong pool of engineers and technicians in Mexico at our doorstep, ready to work in the United States. And that's where we come in. Now at 3A, we handle both sides of it. We recruit the talent and we manage the visa process for you. So from sourcing the candidate to approvals to getting them on site and working for you, we can handle it. Now in the next videos, I'll show you exactly how this works and how to avoid the mistakes we see every day. So if you're struggling to hire or you're just tired of how long it's taking, this is something you need to know.